Looking for a comforting, flavorsome meal that's easy to make and packed with goodness? Today, we're sharing our homemade Chana masala, a rich and aromatic chickpea curry bursting with warm spices and delicious flavors. First, rinse the basmati rice, then cook it in a rice cooker or in a pot. Next, drain and rinse the chickpeas thoroughly, then set aside. Peel and finely mince the ginger and garlic, then set them aside for cooking. Next, peel and thinly slice the onion. Chop the green chilies. Squeeze the juice from the lemon and set it aside. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the ginger and garlic to the pan, then stir fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute or until fragrant. Then add the sliced onion and green chilies and cook, stirring occasionally, until the onion is softened and lightly golden. Now add the chickpeas and chopped tomatoes, then stir well to combine. Add the water and lemon juice. For the seasoning, add the ground coriander, cumin, garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. Stir well until the spices are evenly combined with the chickpeas and tomatoes. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to melt together. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat. Your Chana masala is now ready to serve with fluffy basmati rice, naan, or your favorite side. This Chana masala is rich, hearty, and bursting with flavor. The tender chickpeas are coated in a fragrant blend of warm spices, while the tomatoes add a delicious depth and slight sweetness. A touch of lemon juice brightens every bite, creating the perfect balance of savory, tangy, and spicy flavors. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!